Mucky mucky. What's it called? What's it, mukbang?
Mukbang?
We did mucky mucky. We're gonna post it. I have food in my teeth. I don't know. What are we gonna do?
Going to do a food review.
Look at that. Isn't that scary?
It's bad.
This is a little risque. I'm not sure about this.
What?
Where do you want to go?
Food.
Hurry up with your shirt. Just put any shirt on.
I don't want to drive. I'll drive.
Okay.
Eat once a day. College, we don't got crap.
No, I give you money all the time. I don't know what you do with it.
I don't have a car. How am I supposed to get food without DoorDash? Think about it.
Are you kidding?
And also think about how I'm supposed to go out.
Now we're getting somewhere. We're going to a place called Ollie's. I don't know what the weather is like by you guys, but in Florida it is
Hot as hell.
Here's Anthony, look at him. He's walking up. This is our only meal of the day, so go big or go home. Starting with the pork belly lettuce wraps. I gotta take these.
Do you like it?
Freak out, it's so good, really. Can I taste?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, so good.
That's really good. 9 out of 10. Listen, my scores are always high because I only eat McDonald's every day. Look at the mesh. Good job making
That's
a
why I
mess.
have this little paper thingy right here.
No, look at my side. My side's clean.
What to do? Ooh, oh, the Old Bay rim is so good. Oh my gosh.
How do you like it?
Perfect combination of sweet and spice. Cannot have any because you are 20, not 21.
I'm 21.
Oh, like you're professional. You know how to be a professional. This is the thing I got: Italian sausage, skirt steak, and lamb. I'm drunk. I have half a martini. I can't even speak. Sauteed spinach with garlic, chimichurri, béarnaise, and something else I can't remember.
We got the 12-ounce skirt steak, medium rare, truffle fries, spinach below. Fire. Get out of here.
Wow.
You're not allowed to eat my meal.
It's a mucky bang béarnaise sauce.
Reaction. She's already drunk off a little sip of the
I'm
margarita.
so drunk.
Sorry.
Mucky Italian sausage. Italian sausage and a chimichurri. How good is that? Is this your first time ever trying béarnaise?
With the sauce.
All right, let's get a close up.
It was really good.
Shots. Can you describe it in detail?
A New York strip 12-ounce steak. But I'm not too sure.
Lamb, but I'm gonna try it with the truffle butter. Look.
You're saying 10 out of 10.
That's right. 10 out of 10. It's permanently stuck in my cheek. It's like behind.